Okay, example 5 says 3 partners are investing a total of $900,000 to open a garden and landscaping store. Their investments are in the ratio of 2 to 3 to 5, and we need to find out how much each partner invested. Because the very first thing that I would do on this one is I would take that ratio 2 to 3 to 5. And since they didn't give us any names, I'm just going to call this person A, person B, and person C. That's the ratio. The other thing that we need to do is actually total that up. So for the ratio for the investments, we're going to add 2 plus 3 plus 5. I'm just going to write that up here. So that would give us a total of 10. So we're going to need that to find out how much each person invested. Okay, so I'm going to call person A over here. They invested 2 out of a total of 10. So we're going to set up a proportion. So we need person A's investment out of the total, and we're going to set that equal to the money investment out of the dollar amount, 900,000. Sorry, that's a little ugly, but you'll just have to run with it. We are going to cross multiply this. So when I cross multiply, I would get 10x equals 2 times 900,000. It's 1.8 million. And what we're going to need to do at the end here is divide by 10. So I'm actually going to go to Desmos and cross multiply. So we need to know what 2 times 900,000 is. And we can see that that's 1,800,000. We're going to take the total amount in that investment, or that total amount that we just found, and we're going to divide it by the total shares, which was, or the total ratio there, which is 180,000. So we're going to set up that proportion, cross multiply, and then we just need to plug that into Desmos. So person A invested $180,000. We're going to do the same thing for person B, except I'm going to come down here because we don't have enough space. So person B is the middle, so that was 3 out of a total of 10. And that's going to equal X out of 900,000. So we're going to set that up exactly the same way. We're going to cross multiply it, which means we're going to do 10X equals 3 times 900,000. And then to solve for X, we're going to divide by 10. So I'm going to go ahead and go over to Desmos to do that. You don't have to do anything real crazy. I'm going to do 3 times 900,000. Make sure you have enough zeros there. 2.7 million, 2,700,000, and I'm going to divide the whole thing by 10 to solve it out. So person B invested $270,000. And then I'm going to do person C, and I'll do it over here now that we have space. Person C in the ratio had 5 to a total of 10. And so we're going to do the same thing, X out of 900,000. Cross multiply, so we'd get 10X equals 5 times whatever 900,000 is. Then we are going to go back and divide by 10 so that we can find the amount invested. So I'm going to take 5 times 900,000, 4.5 million, and I'm going to divide the whole thing by 10. So that means that that third person that we called person C invested $450,000 in this business.